When working as a specialist nurse for organ donation, I once met a 9-month-old child who had been actively listed for a heart transplant for 6 months. However, she became too unwell to travel and was therefore removed from the list. Her parents knew what they wanted to do because they had registered their daughter on the organ donor register and had taken the time to discuss what they would do if a heart transplant was not a possibility. They wanted to help others with the same gift if that was possible. As a specialist nurse dealing with this referral, I was able to support the family in pursuing organ donation as an end-of-life option. This girl went on to donate her kidneys following her death, and so represented both a death on the transplant list and a donor who saved the life of another. My research would not be needed if all potential donor families responded in this way, if families had conversations about their donation intentions. The reality is that my research is required in order to help us to understand why we have a 30 to 40% family refusal rate for organ donation in the UK, despite significant enhancement to the processes supporting organ donation that have allowed us to double the amount of organ donors per year since 2008, resulting in 1,500 additional transplants per year. My research aims to address this by accessing data and specialist staff who engage in donation discussions in order to build a more detailed picture of the factors influencing decisions to donate. To date, my research has uncovered that there is limited global literature, but more specifically limited UK literature, considering the views of donor families. There is a small body of work considering mainly white donating families. However, there is nothing to represent families who choose not to donate, nor those from minority or ethnic groups. It is clear that the factors influencing decisions are multifaceted and include previous knowledge and attitudes, knowledge of loved ones' wishes, as well as ethnic and cultural background. The specialist nurse is involved in discussions with donating and non-donating families that represent all of our communities and was highlighted as playing a significant role for families in the donation discussion. In accessing their experience and expertise, it is hoped that a more balanced viewpoint can be represented that is representative of our population as a whole, as well as across the 4 nations, in relation to the factors that influence decisions to donate organs. This would provide us the opportunity to address some of the issues that have led to organ donation being seen as an issue that is irrelevant to many of our communities and contributes to family refusal. If it were possible to address the issue of family refusal, we would have the ability to eradicate the transplant waiting list in Scotland, which currently averages around 500 patients. Thank you.